hotter. Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, I came across an article by people, and when me see it and when me read it, my viewers and subscribers, me said Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Me have to share it with you all, my viewers and subscribers, because the title alone just gravitate me and me have to say, yo, how I really go on in this or something. And when me read it, people, Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. So let me just read this thing and all my people, and then the attacking boss just go over it, and you know, cause Jaja, Javi shot and killed by Wolfie. Javi, whose real name is Roger Clark, was shot by his friend known as Wolfie. Friend, you know, tell you about friend. Javi died from multiple gunshot wounds at the University of the West Indies Hospital on Thursday, November 13, 2021. It has been reported that Wolfie accused Javi of selling a fake firearm to him, which he denied doing. He said he only sells legitimate firearms, and this rumor was tarnishing his reputation. So basically, people, it's a gun dealer this, you know. You see what I go on now? Jaja. Ironically, Javi was notified by someone that he was being labeled as a gun thief, which he did not like. As a result, he wrote to Papine Square, where it's claimed that the person who called his name was located at the time. Javi found the person who started the rumor and confronted him. It is understood that Javi spoke with the individual and later hit him in the face, as he didn't appreciate this rumor being spread about him. The individual then spoke to Wolfie about the matter at a tavern located in St. Andrew. It is understood that upon receiving this information, Wolfie went to Papine and shot Javi in the chest multiple times, which he later succumbed to his injuries. Yo, so you see this thing I know, my people, eh? The man them a war over, you know, so all them something and nothing hard for police to track, you know. You understand? And we made a love for hear upon the finish of the article, people. Big up to Mackay News. He say, yo, them hold this man with them call him Wolfie now. Because yo, me not understand how you feel buy something. If you a man will buy piece, you buy a strap, you should know if your thing real, you know, because you go check your thing before, you know. So why after now you go say your thing fake? We just say a gunman and gun thing them a people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, and in the end, people, so as me say, people, police nothing need nothing hard, enough you go around a can, enough you not check for bust this one. You understand? Because these man, Wolfie, Javi, you know what I mean? Basically, I want clang of them and they must know him. And if you can't hear this thing, and how people say, he's a man well known for you sell them thing. So he's a supplier, he's a dealer. You know what I mean? So he must say, yo, this a tarnishing his career now, people, because when man go come, so boom now, you know. And say, you know, say a fake thing that man they sell them not real and them something the people. Him not gonna get no more sales, so him got done him. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, boy. Something can go on in a Jamaica, yeah, my people. And as them sell people, you live by it, you're dead by it, and him choose to go by it and see it there. Him end up dead by it. You know what I mean? Yo, my people, it's set a way. Things stuff are yard it rough, you know. But only Jah sees and he knows. Big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Big up on yourself, my people. Peace. I'm out. Blessings.